Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Homer Simpson. I'm going to draw the evil Homer as featured in Fortnite at the moment. Going to have him posing with his maracas, so he's shaking those. Full body shot. Let's go right up to the top first of all. Let's do his nose. I'm going to draw his nose in first of all, just about this point here, and his face is heading this way. So I'm going to go grab the pen and I'm going to just draw his nose long along here, around this way. To about there. And then what I'm going to do is pop his eyes in. So he's got a big old circular eye there. So the main one sort of overlapping the other. So what I'm going to do is go from the edge of that nose, draw it up and around. Okay, there's one eye in there. The next one I'm going to go from behind. So I'll start about here. I'm going to go around this way here, back to the nose area about there. We start about here. Move your way over to the right, nice and curved. In like that, okay. Now, let's put his pupils in. One pupil going over this way and the other one over this way. Cool. Now next up, let's go and draw his mouth in. I'm going to continue this line from the nose here. I'm going to go draw a nice curve around and down first of all, down to his chin, up to about here. And then what I'm going to do is come out from the nose here. I'm going to overlap out here, like the front lip pops out a little bit more here. And yeah, curves around this way here. Give him a little bit of a smile. And then down this way, around here, to about there. And we've got a little lip area about there, right? Then this evil Homer, got his teeth in, so I'm going to draw a line across like that. Then I'm just going to go and fill in another line there, another here, and one more there. And then just on here, there's a little bit of his cheek just below the eyes, or between the lip and the eye. So just draw a little curve in there. Next up, I'm just going to finish off his face area. So he's got this mask on with the devil horns. I'm just going to draw a little curve around here to enclose it. Now, first of all, he's got a little curve where his eyebrow is here. So from about that point there, come out just like that. And then I'm going to curve it around down to here. So curve up around his forehead. Nice little curve. Down by his cheek, and then just get it to meet up to his mouth there. There we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. Next up, what I'm going to do is just draw in this little curve at the top of his head, and I reckon we starts about here, just above his eyebrow, and I'm going to go up and around. And then down about there. I've got a little devil horn popping out here, so I'm just going to bring it up and around here, just a little horn. So start about here, curve it out, around and down. It's not too pointed. On this side, similar sort of thing. I guess it starts around there, so just put a little circular element in there. Then we can work up to here and down that way there. So from there, I'm going to move the pen up, curve it up to a point there, just nice and rounded, down to about there. There we go. Okay, let's work down this mask area. Just going to draw a line coming down here, a little bit of a curve, to about here, and then we've got an ear area here. So that's just another little curve there. And then what I'm going to do is bring my pen down here and just pop out where his chest will be. So his arms are coming out over this way, right? And the rest of his body comes down here. So from here, just continue that line, curve it round nice and loose, down to about there. Now just to work this body area out, I'm gonna do it's kind of his back. It comes down this way from the lip about here, down and curve to about here. And then I'm gonna go curve it around to about there, okay? So it's like his belly area. So just gonna bring my pen out, down to about there. Okay, let's have a look. Let's do this arm here. So got an arm here with maracas in his hands. So I'm gonna start here. The shoulder's about this point, right? And it comes out and down here. So curve it out, around, and along down here to about there. Then it sort of comes up at the cuff area, curves around here. So we've got his hand there, curves back around there, and then I'm gonna bring it back up to do the rest of the arm, coming back over this way, curve it to about there. Next up, I'm gonna pop his hand in. So the hand's holding the maracas, so just gonna pop it up here where his thumb is. Little curve here where it's like holding these things. And then from that point, there's 1, 2 little prongs out. And then we've got 1 finger there, 1 finger there, 1 finger here, curve it around and back into that sleeve area. Just down the bottom there, we've got the end of the maracas, so it's just a little kind of bit of a stick underneath. And then I'm going to draw a nice circle here. So I'm going to go, let's say from the edge of this bit here, it's going to do a nice big circle. Cool. In that circle, we've got a little bit of a pattern, just some zigzags. So I'm just going to do a little zigzag there, up and down, and then one at the bottom here. So just a, little zigzag just there. Just a little pattern on that. His other arm is coming out this way. So first of all, we can draw a little line to link up here. So from about there, curve it around to there. And then the other arm, probably about here, comes over this way to about there. So curve it around here. Clips up at the end where the cuff area would be, and again, curve it in. And next I'm going to draw his thumb. His thumb's going to come around this way here, just a little oblong. So comes up and then around as a little oblong there. Then got the 2 little sticks of the maracas sort of popping out here. Just clip that around there, and then I'm just going to go 1 curve, 2 curves to the edge of that thumb, and then just underneath 3, and then I'll just draw a little hand in there. So we've got the whole hand there. The stick comes down this way. Just got to draw a little stick element in there. And then we've got another circle. So from this point, I'm just going to draw nice little circle there. Again, we've got the zigzag, so about there, just pop some little zigzags in. Just underneath, same thing. Zigzag it up and down, nice and loose. Those are his arms. So let's go down to the rest of his body. So the lower body, like the torso and belly here, it's going to come out from that cuff area there. Nice curve around like that. And then I've got the width of the legs there. So I've got 1 leg coming down this way. So I'm just going to draw from here. A nice curve there. Curve it around. And then I'm going to work back up. So I'm going to little curve to must be like a little knee area there. A little crease of the leg, and then we'll go up to here. Middle of the leg, there's a little curve like that. Then I'm going to bring out the next leg this way. So I'm going to bring out a line down here. So from this point in the middle here, bring your pen down, curve it around to about here. What I'm going to do is just make another little curve there for his legs. So just bring the pen around there. I'm going to bring it back up to about here and then join it to the body. So bring it up to a knee point. Bring it up again to the belly. And then we've got his shoes. He's got one shoe coming down this way, one shoe coming off over here. This one, we're just going to go from the point here, down here, curve it around to there. So come up about here, bring your pen down, curve it around, and up into there. And on this side, I'm going to go from about the edge point about here. I'm just going to draw curve down like that, and then I'm going to come back in on myself. So nice little curve up to there. These Simpsons characters pretty much always have a little heel on them. So from the back there, what I'm going to do is just bring my pen down here, in there and up. So I've got that leg in and a foot there. One extra thing, it's got his little devil tail popping out the side there. So go from this crease area just here. Yeah, so we'll just come down, curve around. I guess we go back up this way to about there. On the other side, we'll start off a bit wider at the edge. There we go, we just sort of taper around. Just sort of follow that path. Taper it up to a bit of a finer point on the edge, so it's wider there, finer there, and then we've got a little arrowhead. So we just come out here, down, out, down like that. So we've got that Evil Homer with his maracas pose, shaking those maracas. I'm gonna go in and colour that now. It's a nice sort of yellow and predominantly red costume on him. So there we go, there's Evil Homer from The Simpsons, featuring in Fortnite at the moment. Let me know what you think of the drawing, let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. Alright, bye for now.